The copper prices on the London Metal Exchange came under pressure this Tuesday because of falling imports from top consumer China and also because of climbing inventories, which have raised worries about the demand, and also while a stronger dollar has also had an impact on the market. The benchmark copper price, the 3-month contract and the LME had a closing price of above $9,400 a ton, and copper prices have definitely traded in a narrow range for the last couple of weeks. China's trade overall looks good, but it is copper imports which have felt and which are negative. That's what one copper trader said today. China's copper imports fell for a third straight month in June. That's according to customs data. And because of high prices and also a slowing manufacturing growth, which has weighted on the demand of the world's top consumer of copper. China's export grew much faster than expected in June as a solid global demand, thanks to vaccination programs and easing of worldwide lockdowns, have reduced measures eclipsed by the coronavirus outbreaks and port delays, while also imports have beat the expectations. Now, regarding inflation, the US consumer prices have rose by the most in 13 years in June, and that amid supply constraints and also a continued rebound in the cost of travel-related services from pandemic-depressed levels as the economic recovery gathers momentum. The data have also raised expectation that the US Federal Reserve could tighten their monetary policy sooner rather than later, which have of course boosted the dollar again today. Right now the euro against the dollar is trading below 118. We are at 117.84 for the moment. On the inventory side, also the stocks of copper in LME registered warehouses have risen by 40% over the past 3 weeks to a current level of 220,000 tons. On warrant stocks, material which is available to the market, they are at their highest since May at 203,575 tons. Otherwise, the biggest gainer today is again aluminium and tin. Aluminium has more than 2% almost in a plus. We were at $2,535 dollars a ton. That's a plus of 1.8%, while tin was up more than 1.3%, trading at $32,450 on the 3-month price. Zinc lost about 0.4%, trading at $2,936. Nickel was slightly up at $18,725, while lead lost 0.8%, biggest loser today, trading at $2,308 a ton.